Morning guys. Oh, I'm so tired. So sorry if my audio is not as good as usual. I just don't want to break my camera, okay? Hey! Đây là nhiều. Đây non. Okay, we're doing a transfer now. When we transferred into a minibus. What's going on? Where's my baby? Where's my baby? Where's my baby?
Hello, follow him, nah.
Just finished kayaking there. Kayaking was fun. My shoulders are killing me, guys. And plus, I was teamed up with Becka, and like I basically did most of the hard work. Paulo was with Lucy, and Lucy did most of the hard work. Paulo just can't grow for shit. That's all for show. All show, no performance. But yeah, we're going home now. We're going to go and get showered, get food to eat. Oh, find somewhere to get food to eat. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, the sun is beaming today. Let me get my can on. Yeah! Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? And right now we are going to the beach. Are we getting to the beach?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, don't tell me we're walking.
We probably missed it back.
Ricky and walking don't do well.
Yeah, Ricky took too long.
Oh yeah, whenever girls are ready, you can't rush them. But whenever I get ready. So we're getting into this. Yeah, damn right you do.
Yeah, that's true. It's so cute.
Slightly available, yet when I
Becca, is that right? You're wrapping your legs around our guy now?
Do you want to stop?
So we're just at Now Beach. This place is so photogenic. Look at it. And like at every view, it's so nice. Wow. So we're leaving tomorrow again.
Slightly available, yet when I call you, you don't pick up the phone.
So good. Guys, this is a game changer. I am so happy right now. So happy. Just take my money, take it. Thank you. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm definitely getting another one. Definitely getting another one. I got a chicken McSpicy and it's McFabulous. Just out of McDonald's. Now we're on a hunt to get seasick tablets because tomorrow we're getting a boat to PP and I don't want Becca getting seasick again. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're just heading back to the villa here. Off and about. Oh guys, I'm tired. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm going to bed. If you like the video, give it a like. If you like the videos I make, subscribe. Peace. Love you.